Hey guys, it's Allie with another ARG Tip Tuesday. I would like to start off by wishing you all happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that good stuff. So today I want to start off by speaking on how to end your year effectively. So one tip I would like to share with you guys is a budgetary tip. What I like to do is pull all the invoices and go through all the repairs on that particular property for the entire year. This will help you, number one, get it together for taxes. Number two, you want to make sure you pay all your contractors and have a zero balance. And number three, help put in perspective what has been repaired or what might need to be repaired in the future. This is a great way to do preventative maintenance and to also have yourself prepared budgetary-wise for the next year. So that's it today for this Tip Tuesday. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.